Hey, what's good? Your boy Water MW the Flood Guy Recovery. Today I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. Clap it up. Man. We come a little consistent, man. I like it. We gotta stay steady and slow on the scale, you feel me? I know y'all probably wondering, like, bro, what did you just do? Man, bro, it ain't even not a long story or nothing. Just pretty simple, straightforward, man. Washing my hair, got out the shower, was trying to dry my hair, so I put, and trying to, facial care, you feel me? Facial care is key. So I put this up and I kept it in ever since, man. It ain't gonna lie, I need to take my hair out anyway, man. It's been in for over 2 months, bro. Shoot, my hairline's still not that bad for it though. But anyways though, man, as y'all can tell by the title of this video, man, we got some heat from our good friend Highfoot.ru, you feel me? And man, what can I say, man? Let's just get into what we got, man, and make sure y'all go shop with them, man. Check them out. Link will be in the description, you feel me? And also they be putting up what they got on their website, man, because they got a pretty wide selection, man. Go tap in, get it tuned, man. I keep coming at y'all with these plugs. I'm plugging y'all in for real though, bro. Like for real, man. Y'all need to listen to me. I'm telling you, I'm getting y'all right, man. If you want a cheaper alternative, you ain't really got the money like that, you feel me? Or you want some shoes, you feel me? I got y'all with the plug, man. They got possibly everything you could possibly want or need, man. So make sure y'all go tap with them, check them out, man, because they definitely got everything that you need, you feel me? Yeah, man. They also got some pretty good quality as well, I can't even lie. So y'all make sure y'all tap it with them, man. And like I said, everything linked in the description below. And let's get into it. Yeah, man, the shoe that we got from them today, we got an off-white lot dunks, lot 50, you feel me, man? As you can see, we got, look at good quality, man. Got the off-white little tag right there, man. Off-white right there. These are stupidly hard, man. I ain't gonna lie. This is the top 5 colorway out of a lot dunks. Out of all 50 of them, I ain't gonna lie. Number 1, 50, and like, I think it's 7, no, I don't want to say it wrong, but the one with the blue laces, the pink laces, they got a lot of hard ones, but these are like top 5 for sure though, bro. These are hard, man. Just look at them, black, and they got the white laces, man. That's just a hard shoe, I'm not gonna lie. These are really tough, man. As y'all can see, quality looks spot on too, man. Off-white up in there, size tag, lot 50 right there, got everything that it needs. So yeah, man. Y'all won't get called out for them, I'm pretty sure, unless you ain't really have no money like that. You went from these out of nowhere. But yeah, man, you feel me? But yeah, man, most likely won't get called for these though. And they got the little mesh tongue, not mesh tongue, fluffy tongue. You feel me? Right there, kind of fat tongue, kind of a little bit foam. You feel me? But yeah, man. These is how they looking. These are hard. Nike on the back, of course. These are stupid hard, man. Y'all should get y'all a pair, definitely. And also go shop with them as well, man. Like I said, man, they got everything that you need. I'm finna put it on the screen right now. We got as you scrolling through it right now, man, you got a wide variety of shoes. This is just their newest arrivals, man. So I ain't even get to the designer footwear part. So this is what they're looking like right now, man, as you scrolling through right there. And yeah, man, they just hard and got what you need. So like I said, man, y'all need to go tap in with them and get yourselves right, man. Don't go ahead and treat yourself, man. Don't do yourself bogus, you feel me? Like I said. So yeah, man. So yeah, like I said, man, go tap in, man. Cause why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you, bro? Tell me 3 good reasons. If like I said, if you want affordable sneakers, and then also you just want a lot more sneakers, man. You can't really afford it like that. It's a good option for you, man. Good route to go for you personally. So yeah, man, like I said, go tap in with them. That's gonna do it for this video, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe, comment down below your video want to see next. Of course, man, we're on the road to 1K subscribers, man. We're getting closer and closer each day, man. We at like 520 right now, man, and we just had like 2 videos in the last week hit 1K. So man, we keep going up. We got like 13 videos over 1K, man. Y'all keep bringing me up, man. I appreciate all y'all for tuning in with me. Like I said, I wouldn't be doing this without y'all, man. The opportunities that it gave me, I'm really blessed. I couldn't thank y'all anymore. So man, I really appreciate y'all. I love y'all for that always, man. So like I said, end of the video, and as always, I'll see y'all next video. And make sure y'all tap in, man. I'm telling you. Yeah.